Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will give you the best binary option strategy which you can apply in the market, and I think it will be more profitable if you follow my steps which I want to show with you in my video. Let's get started and just follow my video. I will share with you some strategies like how candle reaction and how candle wants to doing. You have to know, and you can follow my video to develop your skills, and you can trade every candle. So I think there will be no losers. So for market, first of all you have to know where market destination. Market want to go up or down, you have to know first destination. Okay, here you already seen the USD JPY 1 minute time frame. So why market want to go? Market want to go the uptrend. You just see here. So here demand, supply, everything here, supply resistance. It's not fact. First of all you have to target where market wants to go. You have to identify that point. If you identify that point, and you can easily get profit. So let me clear with you some chart. Suppose this is, this candle like uptrend. Okay, candle created like this. So if the next candle want to continue bullish, what candle will be doing? Candle will open here and comes to the down, and the middle point or the first point candle will do weak, and again body opening. When you see that point, candle will open the middle or first point, it's going to be the weak, like bearish will come and it's going to be the weak. Then you can trade here, it will go up. Suppose like let me clear with you. When you see the bullish candle here like this, when the candle will be the bearish second candle, and it will become like that at the middle point. After that it will like doing that the calm or down, calm down. That time you will see that the bullish or the bear market will run, and the buyer available here, that's why it cannot down. So it will go into the weak gradually. When it's going to the weak gradually and it's going to the bullish, that time you have to trade the up. Okay, up, it will go into the up. After rejecting the weak, it will go to the up. It will go into the up. It's a confirm. So you have to follow the candle psychology, because market will trap you sometimes. So you have to know the candle psychology.